Hello and welcome to the Creative Pens. This is my second video. Here we can explain the basics of drawing tools. Let's start. AutoCAD is a fundamental based on commands. You generally interact your drawing and modeling by issuing a series of commands, their options and modifiers. For example, let's draw some lines. Click the line tool and notice on this command line it specifies points. First point, click an arbitrary point in the drawing window. Here is a rubberman line. Connect that point with cursor. Specify next point or undo or click another point. Keep doing this to draw few more line segments. Notice that I could keep going forever in this way. So in this particular command, by pressing either enter, spacebar, escape key. So in this case, I think I press the enter. The command is done and command line is blank. You can see this command is complete. So AutoCAD is now ready for another command. If you can actually repeat the previous issued command by pressing either enter or spacebar. So I press the spacebar again to issue a line command and draw a few more line segments. As I do this, notice there are some changes on command line. It's now show close and undo. In the square bracket, these are command options. You can execute them either by clicking on the command line or typing the letter highlighted in the blue. So I can type C, enter to close the line command. C, enter. And it goes back to the original where you can start. So this is the line command. In this way you can use and make any objects. Okay.